How to assemble your Cabela's 36-inch propane griddle. Before assembly, begin by unboxing the unit and accounting for all griddle parts. Step 1. Secure the mid-shelf to the mid-shelf support legs. Step 2. Screw the mid-shelf into the left and right frames, ensuring that the left frame has the threaded inserts for the propane tank holding hook and seat. Step 3. Attach the griddle bottom shelf to the left and right frames. Step 4. Rotate the unit upside down to attach the heavy-duty locking casters. Step 5. Screw the propane tank holding hook and seat into the left frame. Step 6. Insert the paper towel holder into the notch on the right frame. Step 7. Place the unit's main body onto the frames, then secure with screws. Steps 8 and 9. Align and fasten the rear frame brackets onto the left and right frames. Step 10. Screw the front frame reinforcements onto the left and right frames. Step 11. Attach the side shelf table brackets to the unit, ensuring that they remain right side up by observing the brackets' up arrows. Steps 12 and 13. Screw the shoulder bolt CC tool holding hooks into the left and right side shelves. Step 14. Fasten the right side shelf to the unit, ensuring screws are not over-tightened so the shelf can fold up and down easily. Step 15. Insert the pegs of the left side shelf into the notches on the left side of the unit. Step 16. Screw the 4 number 2 bolts into the base of the griddle surface. Step 17. Team lift required. Place the griddle surface onto the main body of the unit, ensuring the number 2 bolts insert into the 4 notches on the main body. Step 18. Attach the griddle lid handle to the lid. Step 19. Utilize the wrench to secure the griddle lid to the griddle. Step 20. Place the grease cup into the grease cup holder. Step 21. Fasten the regulator hose to the front left frame. Step 22. Insert the AA battery into the ignition. Now, you're all set to start cooking on your Cabela's 36-inch propane griddle.